iPhone XR is an excellent value offering from Apple, offering similar horsepower from the more expensive XS and XS Max, and wrapping it up in a variety of fun colours to suit all tastes. But if you're looking to protect your purchase and keep its looks intact, then these cases from Ringke offer a stylish way to keep your investment well protected throughout its lifespan. So first of all, a big thanks to Ringke for sending over 4 of their cases for me to take a look at, and the ones here are the Fusion X Red, the Fusion X Black, Fusion Onyx and the Fusion Clear case. All offer military grade drop protection and a secure and precise fit on your device. So beginning with the Fury Red case, and this is perhaps the most stylish of the bunch. With a nicely designed exterior and cushioned interior lining, the iPhone XR slips snugly into the case with a reassuring feel. Around the back, the camera recess is nicely cut out and offers good protection while still allowing enough room without obscuring the camera lens or the flash. So moving around to the front of the case, and this has a raised lip which gives some drop protection for your display, as well as allowing you to put the phone face down without danger of scratching the glass. The small details continue around the sides of the case, with good tactile buttons and neat touches like the case type embossed into the side rails, and also room for a lanyard should you wish to use one. There's also a useful aperture for the iPhone mute switch, and whilst larger fingers and thumbs may struggle, it allows enough room to use a fingernail to toggle the mute switch on or off. To help protect against drops, there's also impact protection on each corner and helps lend the case a rugged feel without sacrificing on style. The speaker cutouts and the lightning port are all well aligned and help to round off what is a very smart looking case. The colour does mean it suits the white coral and red iPhone XR models more than others. However, if you're looking for a stylish way to protect your new iPhone XR, then the red Fusion case fits the bill nicely. Moving on to the Fusion X Black, and this continues the same theme as the red case, with the same recessed camera cutout and raised lip protection for the display. This time though, you get a clear cutout for the back of the case surrounded by a black frame, and this helps to show off the colour of your device. The sides follow a similar theme as the Fusion Red case, and this goes for the various speaker and lightning port cutouts and the mute switch. This continues around each corner, with drop protection aided by small cushions. So next is the Fusion Onyx case, and this has a more rounded feel, with a cool pattern covering the rear of the case and a smooth to the touch finish. The camera recess and screen protection is continued much the same as the Red Fusion and the Fusion Black. This is my personal favourite of all the cases due to its sleek design and good amount of drop protection offered all around the case. All of the cutouts are nicely milled from the chassis of the case, and once again the mute switch aperture finishes things off nicely. Unlike the 2 cases before it, the Fusion Onyx lacks the corner drop protection studs, but on the whole this is a reassuring feel and still allows good protection for your device regardless. So finally we move on to the Fusion Clear case, and this means it would be ideal for any of the colour options offered for the iPhone XR range. It's a similar story for all of the cutouts, and these allow good access for the lightning port and the mute switch. Like the Fusion Onyx, the clear case loses the corner protection but does have small studs on the rear of the case at each corner to prevent the back of the case from becoming scuffed on hard surfaces. One thing I did note is that this does pick up fingerprints and smudges more than others due to its glossy finish, but this can only be seen in direct light, and this makes a great choice for those wanting to show off all of the cool colours of their iPhone XR. Whilst I didn't have the chance to try any of the cases with a tempered glass screen protector, I've had no issues with similar cases from Ringke on other phones, and I don't expect this to be any exception. Overall, this is another great selection of cases from Ringke. They look good, offer great protection for your device, and a good value for money for most budgets. If you've got any questions about these cases, then please leave these in the comments section, and I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. And as always, I'll also leave links in the description so you can check these out for yourself in your own time. But for now, this has been my look at this selection of Ringke cases for the iPhone XR. My name is Mr. West, and I will catch you guys later.